be able to keep track about, these are concepts we should be comfortable with. Measuring concentrations of things, deal with molarity and osmolarity, right? And we need to understand that to help us understand the movement of water for osmosis. And so these are the kind of conceptual things that you need to get there. You should be able to understand factors that govern diffusion. And here especially simple, that is either in an open system or in a closed system across a freely permeable membrane. And then facilitated diffusion here would be using an ion channel or a carrier, but still we're going with a gradient. And that you should also be able to get an appreciation for the difference of active transport with diffusion, especially compared to facilitated diffusion. And we saw examples of primary if you use ATP, secondary if you use something else. So those are our kind of like just a little refresher discussion here of movement of substances across cell membranes, either water or solutes. These are the rules we have to obey. And keep in mind with these facilitated things in active transport, don't forget that's within the constraints of these protein-ligand interactions. Right? All of those four principles we talked about before are important there as well. Okay. So over the next day or two, try to refresh this. I don't think I've posted the study guide yet, but I'll try to do that ASAP because that way you can look and start doing some of the review questions at the end of the chapter. Okay, so I'll try to make sure I get that up there tomorrow. You can do that. And this is all this stuff right here that we did is from chapter 5.
The Exam 2 study guide is available through your files.
Oh, is it through the files?
Yeah.
Okay, you can look at that and make sure, but I haven't looked to see. That's a rollover from last year. But let me make sure that it's all still good. It probably will be, but I'll make sure.
Okay.
I'll double check.
I'm checking things off.
Did you start studying already?
I'm checking things off as you're, yeah.